everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, meet the all-new 2025 Kia Motorhome, where cutting-edge design meets home-on-wheels functionality. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time nomad, this futuristic RV could be your next big adventure. Kia's first full-size motorhome brings the brand's design innovation to the RV world, and trust me, it makes an impression. Let's dive into what makes this rolling home a serious contender in the modern motorhome market. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Kia Motorhome sports a sleek, aerodynamic profile, complete with solar-integrated roof panels, LED lighting, and a smart awning that deploys automatically in sunny conditions. It rides on a reinforced EV platform, offering up to 300 miles on a full charge, thanks to its dual-motor electric drivetrain. Step inside, and it feels more like a boutique apartment than a motorhome. You've got sustainably sourced wood finishes, a modular seating area that converts into a full queen bed, and panoramic windows that bring the outdoors in. The kitchenette features an induction cooktop, smart fridge, and built-in water filtration. The bathroom. Compact but clever, with a rotating wall that transforms the space from toilet to shower. Driving the Kia Motorhome feels surprisingly smooth. With Level 2 autonomous capabilities, adaptive cruise, and a 360-degree camera system, long drives feel less like a chore and more like a glide. So, is the 2025 Kia Motorhome worth it? If you're looking for eco-conscious innovation, smart design, and electric performance in one sleek package, it just might be. Kia's definitely raised the bar for what a motorhome can be. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews and let us know, would you hit the road in the Kia Motorhome?